Hey guys, so today I've got a box that I've had a couple of times before in the past, and that is Zobie Fright. So for anyone that hasn't seen me open this before, it is an American box. Obviously I'm in the UK. To me it's £35 plus postage. Obviously for different countries it probably will be different prices, so I'll just put their website down below in case you want to go and check them out. But they kindly sent this to me, so I am going to show you what is in here. So this was the October box, and the themes for this month were The Hills Have Eyes, Black Phone, Brain Scan, and Friday the 13th Part 6. I'm not going to show you the little card because it kind of spoils everything. I'm just going to show you what is in here. But you always get an autograph in these boxes. You always get a t-shirt, I believe, a pin, and then another item. So the first thing right on the top is the t-shirt, and that is the Brain Scan item. Now, I have never watched Brain Scan, I'm not gonna lie, but this is a really cool design though. I love the colours on it. I think it's really bright and fun. If you've watched Brain Scan, you'll have to let me know down below kind of what you think of this design. But it says Death by Design down one side. It says you must now face the trickster across the bottom. And then it's got all other little bits of writing around the sides and stuff as well. So that is our t-shirt for the month. Next we have the Black Phone item, and that is the pin. Now there was two variations of this. This is the normal one. There's also like a rare one that you could have gotten. I will quickly show you. I'll fold this little piece of paper so you can see. This is the rare design, so it's like a phone and the mask half and half. I actually prefer this one that we got. So I will get it out and show you. If you haven't watched Black Phone, it's an amazing film in my opinion. We absolutely loved it. This is a huge pin as well, as you can see. So it's just got the main guy on the front, and then it has two pins on the back so that it doesn't spin around. So that is our Black Phone enamel pin. I will leave the autograph for last. So the next item we have is Friday the 13th Part 6, and that is a little art print from Max Cave. I believe he does all of their art prints if I'm not wrong. My light is shining on it so you can't see it amazingly, but we have all the characters here with Jason, and then it's got a little Jason Voorhees gravestone down here, the lake, some lightning and stuff at the top. So that is the art print. So obviously that leaves the Hills Have Eyes item as our autograph item, and I actually think that this one is pretty cool. This one is Pluto, who is Michael Bailey Smith. So definitely a really nice photo for an autograph. There was 3 different variations of this you could get. So there was these 3 options here. I think I got the best one honestly with that one, but these 2 are really cool as well. So his autograph is just here in silver in the center, and it says Pluto at the bottom. It comes with a certificate of authentication so that you know it's real. If you're gonna sell these or anything, it's always nice to have those so that you can show it's not just you who signed a photo. And these come in really, really thick plastic wallets as well, so they don't get damaged. So yeah, that was everything in the Zobie Fright for October. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you all together at once. So we had our Michael Bailey Smith Pluto The Hills Have Eyes autograph. We had the Friday the 13th Part 6 art print by Max Cave. We had the Black Phone enamel pin. And we had the Brain Scan t-shirt as well. So these 4 items in the Zobie Fright for October. You'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below. I think it was a pretty good one, honestly. The pin and the autograph are definitely my 2 favourites in this one, just because I've not seen Brain Scan and I'm not massive on art prints. But yeah, I hope you liked this video. Anyway, if you did, please subscribe. I'll put all of the information for Zobie Fright down below in case you want to go and check them out. They don't just do Fright boxes as well. If you look at the front of the box, they also do pop culture, gamer, metal, anime, and animation. So loads of different options. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.